Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm doing a slime review. This is my second one because my last slime review, I only had like 4 slimes. Now I have like 100. I'm gonna count. I basically have 10, except one slime is not here. One slime is at my mom's house. So I'll show you my slimes for you. Yeah. So the first slime is this one. I didn't give it a name. It's a green one. It's like the color, you can't really see, guys, but it's so pretty. I don't know, maybe it's turned to light, but it's so pretty. So make sure you put it so pretty. Okay, wow. Yeah, this one. It's not stretchy, but it feels nice. It's see-through. A lot of these slimes are see-through. I'm not lying. I'm pretty sure like all of them. But I didn't use all of them in this same crayons. Yeah, wow. So that's that slime. I didn't get it only. A few of them I got it. Why can't I close this? Okay. Next is this ocean slime. And guys, look at that. Like nobody has touched it on Earth. Okay, so I'm gonna poke. Sorry, to put one. Wow, that feels good. Looks like a fish tank. It's so good, guys. This slime feels different than all the slimes that I made. Yeah, guys. So I'm gonna play with. Do you hear that? Wait, listen. Oh wow. We are sad. Okay. Yeah. Just kicking that off. Vampire. Next is our rose slime. Oh, there's some on that. Where's this rose slime? And guys, like, look how cool. Nobody has touched this yet. Like, it has like bubble. So yeah. Well, that feels good too. Guys, that feels so good. Wow. This is a really stretchy slime. Stretchiest slime that I have. Well, yeah, let's try that again. It's not really stretchy, but it feels like stretchy. I'm gonna make a swirl. It's not butter slime, but I like to pretend. First, I just gotta go like that. So then, I know you guys can see this. Okay, so I got the swirl. Now, I'm just gonna lay it down and swirl it. Guys, you wanna know why I have no butter slimes? Because I don't know where to get tomato mountain clay. No idea. No. No idea. But that's nice. Wow, that looks weird. Oh, wow. So yeah, it's a really good slime. Okay, next is the Elsa slime. Yeah, it's really small, as you can see. A lot of these slimes are small. This one's ruined. I'm gonna get it out, but I can't. Sticking. This is like the worst one. It's usually like so much bigger than this. Not like, oh, it must be inside out. Wow. Okay, so yeah, this is that slime. Tiny. But I know it's bad. Outfit slime. Alright, so we just put it over that bag on the fly. Next one is, I know, I have it in the wrong thing. This is not the clear slime. This is not the clear slime. This is the clear slime, but I just wanted to go quick, so I mixed the mix. But I got those as the yucky slime. I added that. But it's really gross. Like, the color is so gross. Like, yeah. It's like black dots. Like black dots. I can't remember how I made it this color, but poke this up. This time it was. I might even use borax. I've never made a slime with borax. Made it with like Tide. Activator. But yeah. This this was an activated slime. I forgot how I made this. Because this was like the first time. If you watched my first slime review, then you'll see the slime before. Okay, so this here is the first one. Got it. If you use activator and clear glue, which I'm gonna have, and clear glue, you can make a clear slime. It does the ingredients have to be clear. But if you use like white glue and like activator, and that won't even make a slime. Because I tried mixing white glue with this, and it just came out like pancake syrup. So yeah, pancake mix. So yeah, it's like melted ice cream. I overactivated this. Well, I think I didn't have enough activator. Wait, let me see. That's what it's at. Get off the desk. Get yourself. But okay, we just gotta get that five. What slime is it? Oh wait, this I did. And that's what I did. This. This slime, this I call gross slime. It's very gross. Literally gross. Gross slime. 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 I like the most, guys. Love it. Blah 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 blah. Yeah. That was my first clear slime, but I had it for a while and it was not clear anymore. But yeah, okay. Let me see if that moves. Yeah, it still pokes. Okay. Is this my last one? There's that one. Yep, this is my last one. This is like a slime. It's like really cool. Like it's a clear slime, and it's like blue and like. Oh, guys, I keep my dry slimes because they're dry. They actually look pretty cool. Like this one came out dry with a poke in it. You like see it? I think that was my pinky finger. But yeah. And then this one was a mix of the pink. So I keep that. It looks pretty. So yeah. Okay, so that's it for today. So guys, subscribe to my channel. This is like a huge thumbs up. And comment down below which slime you think was the best. Bye. Okay, let me try that again. Bye.